Hello and welcome to more Nerdy Rodent geekery. Suno quality music in 8 seconds or less on your own PC? Sure, why not? Welcome to Ace Step 1.5. Yes, it's available in ComfyUI. And yes, they have a Gradio Web interface as well. Don't worry if you don't have a 4GB VRAM GPU in your home computer, because there is this Hugging Face space available for you too. Is it any good though? Let's have a listen.
You see it in their eyes every time they speak, a flicker of the eyelids, a twitch upon their cheek. The memory in your body, you've heard it all before. Their words you hardly listen to, you're heading for the door. You laugh as they protest, their words are hollow now. You see the beat of forming, the sweat upon their brow. They think that they can fool you, you've been a fool before. Their words you barely listen to, you're just heading for the door. They didn't count on it, oh no. They thought they could fool you, but you already knew. Their lies left a feeling in your body. Their lies left a shadow on your face. You can feel it in your very being, 'cause their lies taste just so out of place. You find it kind of funny, they thought you wouldn't know that every word they say to you has the same glow. It really isn't novel, this isn't something new, and there really isn't anything they can slip past you. They seem confused why you don't fall for it, when every single second you know they're full of shadows of your grace. You've heard it all before, their words will never fool you as you walk towards the door. Their lies left a feeling in your body. Their lies left a shadow on your face. You can feel it in your very being, 'cause their lies smell just so out of place. They never really figured that you'd be so wise, but you never really had a choice, they just epitomize. Ooh, yeah. So many lies.
Starting off in ComfyUI then, and for my workflows, I like to go a step further than the basics and use the rodent method, which you can use too. Why would you do that? Well, I think the colourful little groups make things much easier both to understand and to update as well. You can, of course, use the built-in ComfyUI workflows available via Browse Templates, but if you're looking to change those and craft powerful workflows for yourself, which is also half the fun, then you can do it simply by following along with this free video tutorial. Remember, you can pause, rewind, or take screenshots at any time as you upgrade your Comfy skills and understanding. If you are going the DIY route, then installing some custom nodes will generally help you along, as they provide features you won't find native to Comfy. Also, if you enjoy these videos, find them helpful, or perhaps you just like all the work done for you already, skip the whole DIY part thing, then you can support the channel via the Patreon link in the video description. Your support helps me make even more workflows for you and to share these free video tutorials with everyone. The freedom to choose is, of course, yours, and a massive thanks to all supporters because you make this possible. Showing one of the free example workflows first then, and this is one where you'll find loads of noodles and stuff. There are 2 versions available, but the checkpoint one is the easiest, as you'll only have to download a single 10GB file. You've got the song duration, a random seed, a batch size setting, and of course a group for your main prompt, which has the song lyrics and at the top some style tags. Super easy stuff. Right, let's give it some rodent. This is how I do the loader using KJ nodes get and set. As you can see, we don't have quite as many noodles and it looks much neater. For the settings, I've gone with a group called Settings and put the song length, BPM and seed options in there. For the prompt area, we've just got the text encoder so you can focus on putting in your tags, whatever tags you fancy there, and down in the bottom section is where you put your lyrics. It does support lots of different options for language there, but of course English is the one you want because that's the best. Key scale, lots of options there too, so pick the one that works best for your song. The sampler section is also much the same, and here you can see all those get and set nodes making the noodles a lot less unappealing because they're all nice and neat now. You can select whichever K sampler you want. Of course, there's loads to choose for, as well as the scheduler and steps. Much more neat and tidy, isn't it? Now, we've got the AI enhanced version as well, so there's a new group up at the top where I'm using Ollama. Here we have the AI song lyrics section then. As you can see, I'm using ComfyUI Ollama. There are lots of different large language model nodes available, but I quite like this one. Over in the Ollama connectivity node, you can see you've got your choice of models. I'm using Gemma 3.4b at the moment, but there's lots of different ones that you can download. If you set the keep alive to 0, like it says there, unload the model immediately after inference, which is great because that means it doesn't then use any of your extra precious VRAM. I'm also loading an image. Why am I doing that in a song generator? Well, because this is a vision model, so it can look at the image and then write some song lyrics about it. So my prompt in this case is just a 2-minute song about the image. Nice and easy. There's also a second node down here for generating the song tags. This time, of course, it's much the same for the system prompt, only it's the best song tag generator in the world. And here I'm asking it to generate 1980s hardcore techno tags with a female vocalist. Okay, let's run that through and see what it creates. Here we can see what it's created then. So I've got all the lyrics, which are quite nice. And down here, I've got the song tags as well. Of course, in the prompt section, we've got the get node for the song tags going into the tags and the song lyrics going into the lyrics. I guess that means it is time to have a listen.
Dust boats dance in a sunlit stream, a tiny world, a waking dream of concrete canyons, bright and bold, a story whispered yet untold. A little pause on yellow, lit a miniature, mastery stood, a skyline painted sharp and true, reflecting skies of boundless blue. He balances a painted grace, a hopeful smile upon his face. The city sighs, a distant hum, a silent question yet to come. Can something small with heart so bright capture the beauty of the light? Tiny art is bold and free, painting wonders for all to see. A moment caught, a fragile plea, a mouse in a dream eternally. The canvas leans a gentle sway, holding shadows of the day. A pink heart tied around his fur, a simple joy, a soft allure. He looks ahead with curious eyes beneath the vast and open sky. The city sighs, a distant hum, a silent question yet to come. Can something small with heart so bright capture the beauty of the light? Tiny art is bold and free, painting wonders for all to see. A moment caught, a fragile plea, a mouse in a dream eternally. Tiny art is bold and free, painting wonders for all to see. A moment caught, a fragile plea, a mouse in a dream eternally.
Not bad. Of course, it missed out a couple of the words there, but overall, fairly reasonable. Shifting over to the Gradio interface now, and you'll see there are loads of things going on here. When running locally, the first thing you'll need to do is click Initialize Service. That will automatically download some models, and once it's done, you'll almost be ready to go. I say almost because being so new, there were still quite a few little bugs, it seems. First of all, for me, it didn't seem to actually work after I clicked that initialize service the first time, and then I needed to restart. And also, there were 3 other rather useful packages I needed to install. You can see the installation instructions here, very easy. First of all, you install UV if you haven't got that already, then you clone the repo, cd into the directory, and then just run UV sync. And then when you want to start the Gradio Web interface, as it says there is recommended, just run UV run ace step. There were a couple of extra packages because, as you can see here, when I tried to start it, it said, oh, these 3 are missing. So you just need to install those 3 like this. Also, if you want to download the models separately, they've got some commands there for doing that. The manual download with CLI. Anyway, once initialized, you'll then get a task type. And as you can see there, you've got text to music, repaint, and cover. If you're not doing just text to music, then click on audio uploads and you'll be able to, yes, you've guessed it, upload some audio. Generation mode we've got down here. Let's change this. So you've got either simple, where you get the large language model generating the lyrics and stuff for you, or custom, where you can enter your own. Personally, I found the simple one wasn't quite as good as my prompt version in ComfyUI. It just didn't seem to do lyrics which were related to what I asked for at all, but you may have better luck. You have optional parameters and advanced settings if you like to mess about with things, but all you really need to do then is go down here and click Generate Music. Let's have a listen to this one then.
All those lies, you see it in their eyes every time they speak. A flicker of the eyelids, a twitch upon their cheek. The memory in your body, you've heard it all before. Their words you hardly listen to, you're heading for the door. You laugh as they protest, their words are hollow now. You see the beat of forming, the sweat upon their brow. They think that they can fool you, you've been a fool before. Their words you barely listen to, you're just heading for the door.
They didn't count on it, oh no. They thought they could fool you, ooh, but you already knew. Their lies left a feeling in your body. Their lies left a shadow on your face. You can feel it in your very being. Cause their lies taste just so out of place. You find it kind of funny. They thought you wouldn't know that every word they say to you has the same glow. It really isn't novel, this isn't something new, and there really isn't anything they can slip past you. They seem confused, why you don't fall for it. When every single second, you know they're full of shadows of your grace. You've heard it all before. Their lies left a feeling in your body. Their lies left a shadow on your face. You can feel it in your very being. Cause their lies smell just so out of place. That you'd be so wise, but you never really had a choice. They just didn't mind.
Once again, not 100% perfect, but you can always just keep generating until you get something you like. Further down, you'll see this version also has LoRA training too. Now, I haven't tried this as yet myself, thanks to actually needing a data set, but that may be something for a future video. Do let me know down in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in. So if you had fun and maybe learnt a thing or two, then don't forget to like and subscribe for even more Nerdy Rodent geekery.
Ooh, Nerdy Rodent. He really makes my day. Showing us AI in a really British way.